Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing well today. I am blessed and I know you all are blessed also. So I will start with my scripture for today. In the day of trouble I will call upon thee, for thy will answer me. Psalms 86 verse 7. Blessed be the Lord who daily loaded up with benefit. Psalm 68 verse 19. Thank you. Okay, I'm getting ready to do, I'm going to show you, this is the riblets, and it's kind of like a neck bone, but I'm going to put them in here, and I'm going to kind of put the barbecue sauce on them, and I'll be putting all my seasoning on them. So they are still like neck bones, but these I saw them, and I don't know if I had ever saw them these before. They were a little meaty, and I said I'll go get them, and so you all can see them. And I wanted, maybe because if you find them, sometimes they don't have as much meat on them, but these had a little bit. And I said, I started about to fry them, but I said, well, I would just go ahead and put a little barbecue sauce on them and barbecue them, because they do have a lot of bones on it, but they have a little bit more meat on it. And so I decided I'll try these and let you see these, the barbecue sauce on.
Yeah, there was a chair when she got up making that noise.
Okay. Okay, now this is my onion powder. I'm going to try to put the barbecue sauce on where it kind of go through the holes that I was trying to punch in.
That's smoke sauce, hickory smoke.
Yeah, the hickory smoke. I don't have the barbecue sauce yet. Let me turn it around so you can see. Okay.
That's the hickory smoke,
Okay, let me get my brush so I can brush it down for you. I didn't have the brush over here. Okay. That was the end of that bottle. I have some more in another bottle. This is also hickory smoke, so that was kind of at the bottom of the bottle, so that was the end of that one. Okay, now I'm going to be putting a little bit of complete in it on it also. Like pepper. Garlic powder. Oh, and let me get my paprika out of here. So that's the second. I forgot about. Okay. So I pretty much have everything on here that I'm going to put on.
Yeah, this is her chesapeebay. Uh-oh, can you see? Okay.
Okay. This is very good, you all. I used to use quite a bit of this last year. The first years that I started, I used quite a bit of chesapeebay. But then I kind of stopped and started using more complete. So, but I do like to use this on when I'm using, when I'm cooking the meat like this. Because it gives it meat a better flavor. But of course I use complete on just about everything. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to be putting this in the oven. And let this go like this for a few minutes. I'm going to let it get started, and then I'll turn it over a little bit, and I'll be back in shortly. And I'm going to let it, it's going to have to cook about 45 minutes. I'm going to start it off at 350, and I may rise it up to about 400 if the oven. Sometimes the oven works a little bit slower, and I may have to cut it up if I find out it's going to cook a little bit slow. All right, thank you so much.
She'll be back in a little bit.
All right, I'm turning it over, and I'm going to start on the back. So I'm going to be putting on. Now the back won't be as much meat on the back as it was on the front. The meat I'm going to turn it over again probably, but now I'm getting ready to add a Coca-Cola to it also. And I'll be putting just a little piece of oil over it to let it cook. Okay, so now let me put just a little bit more seasoning on it. Okay, this is the paprika there. All right, now I'm going to be putting it back in the oven. I'll be back shortly for about another 30 minutes or so. All right, you all, I'm getting ready to do Brussel sprouts, and I have 2 slices of turkey bacon in, and then I'm going to put my onions and bell peppers and onions in, and then I'm sauteed for a few minutes, and then I'm going to put the Brussels sprouts in there. I've already cut them, and they've already been cut and washed. This is them right here. Already been cut and washed. I mean, they didn't have to be washed, I said. Then I'm going to put chicken broth in it. This is a half a stick of butter there. I've already started with maybe one or two with one of these, but I'm going to put the whole half stick. I need more red pepper. Now I can pull these in.
Okay, y'all. I love Brussels sprouts.
All right, I'm putting all the seasoning in. The onion powder's already gone in, and that was a garlic powder. So this is complete right now. Okay.
Y'all, I love Brussels sprouts so much I can eat them cold like a refrigerator the next day.
Okay, I'm getting ready to pull my chicken.
Okay, y'all, she's finna pour a little avocado oil in there. Okay. Yeah, she's trying to let it get a little brown, a little sure on it, and then she's gonna put a little chicken broth in there. Okay, y'all, she's probably gonna let that cook about 15 minutes, or 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll be ready. We'll be back.
All right, this is my final presentation of I have the broccoli. I mean, Brussels sprout that I had cooked with turkey bacon and also onions and bell peppers. So this is the complete of that. Okay, and this is what I have. It's the rib end to the rib ends, and I have found these with the bigger ones, and I kind of baked them and smoked them, and with barbecue sauce. So now I will be letting you see me get some of my broccoli sprout. Brussels sprouts. I'm sorry. We have so much broccoli, we don't eat very much Brussels sprouts, so that's why I forget what
I love Brussels sprouts. I can eat Brussels sprouts every day. I love them.
I used to eat them a long time ago, but I got to the point where I don't eat a lot of vegetables, and the Brussels sprouts are very good for you. But I'll just cut a little piece of my my pork ribs off on the side because they're very hot and I'm not chewing a lot right now, so I'll still let you see them. So this is it. I'm just going to have a little piece of it. It's very hot, just come from the oven. And I can't chew very well on this. Okay. It's delicious, I'll tell you. And the Brussel sprout. Yes, indeed. It's very good. I haven't had them in quite a while, but they're very good. So I hope you all will be trying the Brussels sprout. I don't know if you, these rib ends are like neck bones, but they have a little bit more meat in them, that's all. So I thank you all for viewing, and I hope you will take the video to the extreme and enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the subscribers, the old faithful subscribers. I mean, not faithful, that been with us, rocking with us from the start. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for the channel members. We appreciate you, each and every one. Thank you. Have a blessed week and be safe and be careful, everyone.
And all the new ones. Thank you.